How to create a PayPal account in Ghana. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a working PayPal account for yourself right here in Ghana, which you can also use to also receive and send payment through your PayPal account. I'm going to take you through how to sign up for a PayPal account and how to also verify your PayPal account in order to also use your PayPal account right here in Ghana. If you are in Nigeria or any other country too, you can also use this same method to create a PayPal account for yourself for free of charge without paying anything. To show you proof, this is a working PayPal account that I created for myself, and I've been using this for a very long time. The first step is to change your location to the USA or any other PayPal country. Now what you want to do is to also download a VPN, which you can also use to change your location. So the one that I use is Windscribe VPN because it's a free VPN and everyone can also download it for themselves. All you need to do is to download and sign up for this VPN, and you can change your location to any place in the USA right here. So I'll simply go into the VPN and switch it on. The VPN is now in Los Angeles, USA. You can download this for Android as well as your iPhone, or you can use any VPN at all that can also change your location. You can either choose to do this step or not because it doesn't matter, but I prefer you would also change your location to the USA to make you more secured. The next thing to do is to go into your browser, but I prefer you also use your private browser to do this. Now if you are using a Safari browser, you can simply switch between private browser, your main browser, and then your other browsers right here. But every browser that you are using, whether Chrome, Safari or Opera Mini, also have a private browser, so make sure you also use the private browser when also doing this. What you want to do is to simply type in PayPal into your browser like this, and this will also take you to Google where you can see this. Don't tap on the advertisement link, simply scroll down here and tap on this second link right here. This will take you to PayPal USA official website. Now the next thing to do here is to change your location from the USA to UAE. So when you scroll down here, you can see your location right here. Simply tap on it. Yours will be USA. Tap on it, and this will also bring up these options or countries that you can also choose from. Scroll down here to the Asia Pacific, and here is where you can find the UAE. The UAE is here, United Arab Emirates. So simply click on this, and this will also take you into this page. Here on this page is where you are going to sign up. So the step 3 is to also sign up for a free PayPal account. Click on sign up here, and it will take you to the sign up page. What you are going to choose here is a business account. So this will also mean that you are in the USA, but you want to also create a business account in the UAE to also use it. Click on continue, and this will take you into the next page where you have to also enter your email address right here, your first name right here, your last name, and a password that you want to also use. Make sure you enter an email address which can also receive email, because an email will be sent to you. After entering the details required, make sure your password also match with what they need. So you can see 8 to 20 characters. Make sure there is an uppercase and lowercase numbers. Enter at least one character. Click on this to also check this, and after this click on agree and create account. Now you can see right here, as I told you, make sure you also use an email which can receive code. So make sure you use a real email. Now you can see that an email has been sent to you, so email you a code. So click on email you a code, and a code will be sent into your email box. Simply copy and paste the email code that you also receive in your email box like this. So here, paste your code and it will automatically send you to the next page. You can see you are all set. Just a second, so you have to wait for some couple of minutes to also get your account ready. You can see activate your account to start using PayPal. Enter information about your business organization. You can see you just need basic name, contact info, tax ID, share some personal info. So you can skip for now, or you can also do this. So you can click on let's go right here to also do this. Here, choose individual or sole proprietorship and business type. You have to also choose solo entrepreneur right here or an individual. Click on next. Here you have to also enter in your details such as your date of birth, your nationality, as well as your phone number right here. So let me show you how to also fill in all this. With your date of birth, you can simply type it in right here. So this is the day will be second right here, so 02, and the month right here, the month will be 02, and the year will be 1999 right here, so 1999 right here. And after typing in your date of birth, what you want to do is to select your nationality. So click on this and you can search for Ghana, so GHA, and choose your Ghana or any other country that you are also doing this from. Select your phone number right here, so make sure you enter your phone number. So you can select Ghana's country code right here or any other country that you are also watching this from. So you simply scroll down here and you can see Ghana. So after selecting your country code, enter in your mobile phone number that you use here. After entering your mobile phone number right here, what you want to do is to fill in your PO box, additional information, city, and also choose this right here. So here you have to choose the Emirates as Dubai, so choose it as Dubai and enter in your PO box right here where you live most of the year. Make sure it's matched with the residential address on the tax information. It's not your PO box. So here provide your PO box right here. So here is what I also typed in: Accra, Ghana, and the city is Greater Accra. So I'll simply click on next. Here what you want to do is to enter your legal business name, so you can use any business name that you also want, business registration number, and also the currency of your business, the services that you provide. So here what you want to do is to simply click on just use my legal name, so you can use your legal name for this. For the business registration number in Ghana, it starts with BN and it comprises of 9 numbers, so you can simply enter in BN and 9 random numbers, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And after entering this, make sure you leave the currency at United States dollars, and the services you provide, you can choose any of the services right here. Do you have a business website? Choose no, and you can see what's your current business address. When you click on this, it will use the residential address that you also entered earlier, and here you simply click on next. Click on the back button and this will take you into PayPal. So you can see this is my new PayPal account that I also just created. So when I click here, you can see the name that I used on top right here. That's my name that I use on top right here, and you can see all these details right here. So you have just created your PayPal account right here in Ghana or any country that you are also watching this video from. Now after creating your account, it's not done. You can see some notification right here, so click on this and you can see link and confirm my debit or credit card. So this is how you can also transfer money from your PayPal account as well as also receive money into your PayPal account. When you use your PayPal account to receive money, this is how you are going to also withdraw it from your PayPal account. And I don't want this tutorial to be longer, so I'll bring you how to also link your credit card or your debit card to your PayPal account right here in Ghana in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can also watch that video and link your debit or credit card to your PayPal account. So there you have it. This is how you can also create your own PayPal account right here in Ghana that is working, that you can also use to also send and receive PayPal funds. If you want to also get a video on how to also verify your account, I'm going to make it next, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video if you also got value from it and successfully created your account, and comment down below your experience. I'm Emmanuel and I'll see you in the next video.